Good morning, afternoon, evening to you all. Welcome aboard United Flight 466 from Denver, Colorado. This is a 22-year-old ex-TED Airbus A320-232, registered November 440 Uniform Alpha. We will be landing on Reno's runway 16 right today, approaching from the north, making our turn to head south and land into Reno. Let's go ahead and enjoy the descent, approach, and landing into Reno out of 30,000 feet.
Welcome to Reno. The local time is 2:50. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign comes off. You can now use your phones and other small devices. Please check your seat back pocket and air around your seat to make sure you have all your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead bins. From all of us at United and our Airlines partners, we've enjoyed having you as our guest today on Sunday Skies. We hope to see you again soon.
Pretty solid landing. It woke me up. I gotta say, I was not awake at all from practically about departure to landing. So I'm just thankful that the camera kept recording. Anyway, we will be taxiing to Gate Charlie 3 via Papa Bravo Hotel, Gate Charlie 3. I really hope you all enjoyed this arrival, and I hope that you tune in for our sunset departure out further west, as there will be an amazing view of Lake Tahoe at sunset that you will surely not want to miss. I hope to see y'all there. If not, I'll link it up top just in case. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you later.